In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background color from pasted text in Microsoft Word. Fast. Have you ever copied text from a website, a PDF, or another document? And when you paste it into Word, it comes with that annoying colored background behind it? Maybe it's yellow, gray, or some other highlight that doesn't match your document. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a quick and simple way to clean that up so your text looks consistent and professional. First, open your Word document and paste the text exactly where you want it. You'll probably see that the pasted text looks different from the rest of your document. The letters might be fine, but there's a solid color behind them that just won't go away when you change the font or size. Start by selecting the text that has the unwanted background. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the words, or by placing your cursor at the start of the text, holding Shift, and pressing the arrow keys to highlight everything you need. With the text selected, look at the toolbar at the top of Word. You want to be on the Home tab because that's where the formatting tools live. In the Home tab, find the section that controls text appearance. There are several icons there, but the one you're interested in is the Text Highlight Color button. It usually looks like a small marker pen with a colored line underneath. Click the arrow next to the Text Highlight Color icon to open the color options. If the text has been highlighted using Word's highlight feature, you can simply choose No Color from this menu. As soon as you click No Color, the colored background should disappear, leaving just plain text. If the background color doesn't change, that means it might be a shading effect rather than a highlight. While your text is still selected, go to the Home tab. Look for the Paragraph section and find the Shading button. It looks like a little paint bucket pouring color. Click the arrow next to it and again choose No Color. This removes any background shading applied at the paragraph level. After you do this, your pasted text should blend in with the rest of the document, with no strange colored boxes behind it. If you paste text often, a useful tip is to use Paste Special, or the Keep Text Only option when pasting. That strips out most of the original formatting so you don't have to fix it later. And that's all you need to quickly remove background color from pasted text in Microsoft Word.